So I need to get organizing because the official unboxing for this month's Sam's Bead box, Below the Waves, I guess it's like under the sea. It's happening today and I haven't even opened this box. So let's see what's inside it. I'm excited to see. I've been busy making other things this week, so I haven't had a chance to get into it. In fact, I'm still making things from the Waltz of the Flowers box that we just had. And I've got a few other under the sea type things. A decade ago, we visited the Great Barrier Reef in Australia on Heron Island, surrounded by astonishing clear water and vibrant coral reef. Oh, so we're going to get some colors. All right, it was something out of a Pixar movie. Stingrays were common. Rachel, who is braver than I, would willingly and excitedly wake up early to swim alongside them. That's awesome, Rachel. Ah, cool. All right, so I'm gonna read through this later, but let's see what's inside of this. We've got a little list on the other side, and I'm just gonna set it aside because I usually don't like go through and itemize these things when I'm opening them up. Woo, mints. All right, I'll eat those later because none of you want to listen to me sucking on mints on this camera. I promise you. All right, let's get this open. These are usually very well packaged. And I love that the packaging is recyclable. Ooh, yes, colors. I told you, I called it out. We are having an incredibly colorful June, guys. That is just what's happening. Colors. Okay, so let's move this aside and get this opened up. And like I said, I don't usually like call out exactly what is out there and itemize it like some other unboxers do. I'm more about the let's get it into our organizers. Okay, this is pretty. This is very pretty. Looks like we've got pink and yellow and orange, and these are melon shaped. I don't know if you can see that. They're pretty cool. Pink and purple and like blue. This is already super colorful. And this one's totally round. Like this one was faceted. This one's totally round and it's got purple and blue, and there are so many great color combinations with this. So colorful so far. So like this is definitely colorful ocean. And look at this over here on the other side. I'm just going to be pulling out a whole bunch of strands. Let's just dump the whole thing out actually. All right, I've got bags. Move that out of the way. Looks like we've got some 11-Os. They are silver lined crystal. That's great. That's going to look fantastic with just about any of these colors. But look at these tassels. The tassels are attached to our strands. Oh, these are fun. Like tassels are a great way to like fancy up, or actually not really fancy, but more like just increase the fun quotient in the things that you're making. So we've got some dark blue tassels, some pink tassels, and look at this. Look at the flash on this. This is labradorite. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And these are faceted rondelles. Oh my gosh. That's great. All right. And also Bilbrio underwater glow mix. Glow mix? Is it glow in the dark? Hold on, you guys. I'm going to put this in front of my face. It's not glow in the dark. These do not glow in the dark. I was real excited for a minute there. Dang. Way to get my hopes up, Sam and Rachel. But, oh, wow. These are great. Okay, so it looks like we've got 2 or 3 of these, maybe 4. Oh, bloop, bloop. But yeah, I can see how their bills, like their duck bill. These would look really cool strung out with some spacers in between on a thing. All right, I'm gonna immediately find a place for these guys while I'm here. They're like a party. And you know what? Some of the colors of these are the same colors as these melons, these elongated melons, and this faceted strand. So these two are actually going to be bunk buddies, roommates in my organizer because they are the same color but different cuts. And that way, be able to see them at a glance. The different the different beads. They're just so pretty though. I don't know what to make with these. I am gonna have to like think about these and figure out what we're gonna do. I almost don't want to take these off with how pretty they are. Like, I almost want to just attach this to a chain and wear it like this, almost. Like, that's just a little party in a box. All right, so I love these. These are the, what are they called? Hold on, let me see. Mermaid glass, that's what they are. That's because they have this divider between them with the color, so it makes it sparkle like that. All right, we've got those. All right, let's see what these are. These are check glass oval, ocean crackle. And you know what? Some of these colors would go really great with last month's box. Like this one too. In fact, I don't know if you guys remember that box. But some of them could overlap. There might be some overlap. You never know. And those are really pretty. They're like lozenge shaped. I mean, it's ovals, but they remind me of lozenges. And that's pretty colors. Let's see if we've got more colors like that. We do not. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh, see, these go with these. Like I'm getting ideas, guys. I am getting ideas. All right, let's stick all of these together there. Let's get our Art Deco ovals with the orange coral mix, and these melon beads, I guess it's orange coral. Let me see. Purple fuchsia, orange coral mix for the melon, 6mm melons. Yes. So like they're just meant to be together. Probably would be great as a bracelet. You know? All of those together. So I'm going to put those there, and I'm going to, in the same space, put these melon beads. Let's dig one of these out and stick it on the top so I know what's in there just by looking at it. All right, so we've got spaces for at least 3 of my guys. Yeah, we're making mermaid stuff this month. I have been making so many ocean themed things. Ooh, puffed coin, blue zircon, and lavender amethyst. 3 mixed pieces. I'm just chaotically going through this. I hope you guys are okay with that. Okay, so looks like we've got a large one and 2 small ones. So they would probably make a really great like earring and pendant, or maybe a bracelet and earrings combination, or a bracelet with the big one in the middle and then these 2 ones on the sides. We got options. We got options. And got things we can do with that. All right, and look at these turtles. Check glass turtles. They're crystal. We've got AB, and then we've got a green-white silk. Ah, okay. Look at these turtles. I used to have a turtle necklace that I wore all the time, And it was great because when I would go dancing, it bounced around on its chain and it would hit me in the face, and it was fantastic. Look at these guys. I love them so much. There's so many cool pieces of check glass in this. I love it. Look at the fishies. Look at the little fishies. Check glass fish, aqua, and sapphire AB. 4-piece set. Do we get 2 of each? We do. We get 2 of each. Swimming with the fishies. Okay, I'm going to put the turtles and the fishies together. Turtles and the fishies. And I say fishies like that because that's what I say. I actually, for Halloween one year, I dressed up as Darla from Finding Nemo. And I had a little plastic bag with a fake fish and a fake clownfish inside of it. It was fantastic. I still have the little shirt, the rock and roll girl shirt that I made for that. It's really great. Maybe I'll wear that. Oh, look at this. We got some peanuts, and they are very oceanic. It's a nice mix of colors. You've got like some dark blue, you've got some green, you've got this light aqua blue, and you've got some clear peanuts. All right, peanut beads are great. They look fantastic between round beads as spacers, or even by themselves, and then you get like some bumpy strands on your thing. And look at these. Are they leaves? Check glass leaves. Okay, yes. They're like trefoil leaves. Peridot and amber mix. Hey, that's not where you go. All right. Look at these charms. Oh my gosh. Seahorse pendant, starfish charm, and spire shell charm. These are great. Made in Greece, antique silver plate, lead free. Made in Greece. They're Grecian. Look how beautiful that is. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, you guys go there. You get 2. Oh, get back here, buddy. That's not where you're going to be living. Ah. I mean, if you want to that much. Spire shell. I think this plus this plus these say unicorn to me. That's what they say to me. That's what they say to me. All right, and then we've got 2 of the starfish, so you could have earrings with these 2. Looks like it's side drilled on that. Oh, and there are 2 of these too. Oh, maybe I can make unicorn earrings. Oh, yes, because there's 2 of these too. All right. I'm having ideas. I am having ideas. Like, I looked at this and I was like, I don't even know what to make. And so now I'm having ideas. Round green opal drux. This is a great sea green color. It's like less mint and more aqua-y. And then we've got check glass fire polish and spiral mix, dark sapphire, and stone Picasso. Look at that. We've got some, look, a couple cones there. And then we've got these dark blue beads. Fantastic. These guys. I'm going to stick these 2 over here with the charms, or maybe I'm going to put them over here because they're sort of round and flat. So they kind of go there. I am going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 for these others. And then these 2, we've got a seahorse, and a turtle. And that is the laser etch seahorse and turtle. These are great beads. These will be fun to do some stuff with. All right, I'm going to put those in there with those. And let's get these guys unstranded. Stranded? I wonder what word I would use for that. Destranding? Depotting? I don't know what I'm doing. All right, and I feel like we've got a lot of these guys. We do. I love those kinds of beads. Like a lot of times you see them like for sale places and they're like they're acrylic or something, but these are glass. Unicorn beads. I'm calling these unicorn beads. I'm sorry. That's just, it's what's happening in my head. All right, now let's get this labradorite undone, depotted. All right, and gonna be very careful snipping this wire away from this because I don't want to break the little loop here that would be used for attaching this. And I think I might have actually cut it just now. That's not good. I might have to redo these. All right, this one. Trying to only get the wire and not the little loop. Okay, so I didn't cut that one, but I did accidentally cut this one because it was just a little too close. I don't know, might still work, might still work. All right, let me see. This one's got some space there that I can put this into. There we go. So that's a cleaner cut. Let's see, and that one's got some space between the two as well. All right, so now I've got my tassels. And I kind of don't want to separate these, but I kind of do. But this is like a twofer because we get these really gorgeous dropped beads. What's the cut melon drop? No. Indian cut strawberry quartz. That's what this is. The heart brios, but then you also get these like these little tube beads too. So it's a twofer. All right, buddy, let's cut that wire, get these guys in there. This isn't going to take up a lot of room in here, so maybe I can get, nope, I'm just going to lay these on the top. That'll close up nicely like that. And there we go. So they're going to be putting shop extras up today of the Sam's Bead Box. I like to sometimes get some seed beads to go with it, though they did send some. It was included in this, so you don't have to buy it separately. But this is a very colorful under the sea selection here, where you've got coral colors, and you've got purple colors, and you've got all of the normal sea colors. But yeah, there you go. Sam's Bead Box, below the waves. Below the waves, below the waves, below the waves, below the waves. Anyway, thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.